Hey everyone, in this video I will show you 8 money printing app ideas. So in this video I'll share 8 application ideas with strong market potential. These aren't guaranteed to make money, but they address real problems people are willing to pay to solve. So if you have your application with you, then I will show you some of these application ideas or printing app ideas for that application that you're using right now. So number one, you can use or have this AI resume and cover letter filter. So basically, you can use ChatGPT to ask some help, Perplexity AI, Claude AI to create one. So an AI-powered application could help users create professional resumes, write customized cover letters, optimize resumes for applicants, okay, suggest stronger wording, match resumes to job descriptions, and prepare interview questions. So as you can see here, ChatGPT can create. You can just basically copy this, open your Canva, go to create a design, look for resume template. Then once you're in the Canva, there are tons of templates there, and all you have to do is to copy this and then paste to that template. So you can do it manually. But since we're talking about application, since you have your application with you, supposedly have your application, all you have to do is to copy and paste this in your application. But if you have your application with you, then I think with the proper prompt, the application itself can generate resumes and cover letter. But if not, then you can ask Perplexity AI, Claude AI, Google Gemini, ChatGPT, and other AI tools that can help you create or build a resume. And then you just have to simply polish it in your application. So this is number one. If you have your application with you, you can build AI resume and cover a letter. As what I've said, millions of people apply for jobs every day. So an AI powered application could help users create resume, match resumes to job description, and prepare interview questions. So the revenue ideas for this is of course a monthly subscription. You can ask for a monthly subscription, one-time premium template that they can use anytime, and career coach app sales. So once you are building or you have your AI resume and cover letter builder application, then it would be easier for people to ask whatever they ask, like resumes, match to their job descriptions, and so on. Number two, you can also have this AI social media content generator. As you know, small businesses constantly need fresh content but often lack the time to create it. So, your application to generate Instagram captions, Facebook posts, LinkedIn articles, Twitter posts, X posts, TikTok ideas, YouTube titles, hashtags, content calendars. So, add scheduling features and analytics for extra value. Nowadays, people promote their businesses through Instagram and Facebook and so on. So it's a good idea that you can create AI social media content generator application. So that would be a big help. Now, if you want a full package, like you just don't want to generate captions, something like that, you also want to create or make a content, make a video for their product. Basically, AI tools like Google Gemini, Perplexity AI, ChatGPT can generate that product, that picture, that image that they want. All you have to do is just get a correct prompt. Now, let's
So
just
for
say your client has this shoe business. So all you have to do is get the picture, or if you have the picture with you, your client's picture, or generate a picture from those AI tools, upload this to Pixaverse, one of the best tools for video or creating video. Then here, all you have to do is to type the correct prompt. And as a result, this is what it looks like. So this is how you promote your clients or customers a video. Then after that, you can get that caption from AI application or generator. And all you have to do is to just submit it to your client or give it to your client. So these are the best ways for creating or generating income with this revenue ideas, uh, premium model, subscription plans, team accounts, and also you can ask as a payment for the video creation or for the video that we have created. Now, another thing is that personal finance and budget coach. So many people struggle to manage their money. An AI powered finance application could help users build budgets, track expenses, set savings goals, reduce unnecessary spending, receive personalized financial tips, and monitor subscriptions. So, focus on education and organization rather than providing personalized investment unless you have the appropriate expertise and regulatory compliance. Number four idea is the AI study assistant. Students are looking for smarter ways to learn, so you can create features like flashcard generation, homework explanation, study schedules, note summaries, and so on. Number five is AI meal planner and grocery list. So you can ask or create an application for that. Once you have the application, you can ask ChatGPT or other tools for ideas and then polish it to your application. Number six is AI travel planners. For planning a trip takes time. An AI travel application could build custom itineraries, recommend attractions, suggest restaurants, estimate travel costs, organize reservations, and offer a packing checklist. Okay, so you can just basically ask that when you have that application. Now we have here number seven, AI business assistant. Small business owners wear many hats. So an all-in-one AI assistant could help with email drafting, invoice generation, meeting summaries, customer support, replies, task management, business reporting. Revenue ideas could be monthly subscription, team collaboration plans, and enterprise features. And lastly is the AI content repurposing tool. So, content creators often spend hours adapting content for different platforms. Your application could transform YouTube videos into blog posts, podcasts into newsletters, articles into social media posts, long videos into shorts and reels, webinars into email campaigns. So, the revenue ideas could be subscription pricing, creator plans, agency accounts. So all you need to do is to validate your app idea. You can research for competitors, read user reviews to find common complaints, and then try to avoid any mistakes. So the final thought could be the best application ideas aren't based on hype, they're based on solving real problems. So AI makes it easier than ever to design, prototype, and improve software, but success still depends on understanding your users and delivering consistent value. So thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.